But what we've noticed is that all that we would expect, anxiety, depression, eating disorder, self-harm, even suicidality, things that we see have just gone up. Okay? And this is not statistics that's exclusively to where I'm working, but this is nationwide data that I'm sure all of you have seen already. Again, I think the storm that we've been in the last couple of years have just exacerbated those observations. Well, we're noticing that our young people are a little more emotionally fragile than perhaps the past. And I'll be a little bit more specific. Again, I work in a high school. And what my colleagues and I have observed in the last couple of years, I'm thinking about incoming freshmen, 9th graders, 14, 15-year-olds. And we've noticed in the last couple of years that there's been a lot more social conflicts, interpersonal conflicts that we just don't usually see in high school. And we joke and we say, this is so middle school drama, right? We are seeing middle school drama in high school. Why? And then you step back and you say, oh, what was the last 2 or so years been like for this 9th grader? 7th grade, 8th grade, and for some, even 6th grade, have been some sort of remote learning, hybrid learning, school shutdowns, isolations, right? Lots of people are nodding. Everybody in online, everybody's nodding in the room, so you should nod too. So you know, right? So 6th, 7th, and 8th grade have been interrupted. Middle school is supposed to be messy anyway, right? I don't know, I hated my middle school experience. It was just a hot mess. Why? Because we're all trying to do this interpersonal, relational thing with one another. And the thing of it is that our high schoolers missed out on some of those learning opportunities that they would have worked out in middle school. And now they're bringing it to high school. Yeah, so we're seeing a lot of middle school drama in high school. We're seeing students who are just not as socially skilled to interact with one another, not as socially skilled to share space with one another and know how to negotiate their needs, and young folks who are just having a harder time even talking about their feelings and knowing how to regulate those feelings.